Hey guys, A plus Cubing here, and today I'm going to be doing example solves on the 2x2 using the Ortega method. First we want to scramble our cube, and in this video I'm going to be using white as the first side that I'm solving. So first you want to look for any pairs, but we don't have any. But I can easily make one by bringing this one down here. And now see if we can make an L. We can easily move this down here. Make sure the L's on the bottom when you're solving, and since the white's facing up, move it to the bottom left hand corner, bring it up. Move to the side, bring it down. And usually you would look out for a bar on the bottom side, but it's all a bar, so that's good. It could be one of two algorithms, PBLs. And this algorithm is one facing up, and this is anti-soon, because this yellow is right here. So we just do that. And now we notice that it's one where we swap these two, so orient it like this. We go R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F2, U prime, R, U, R prime, D, R2, and that is the first example solve. Next solve, we know that we don't have any white pairs, but we can easily make one by moving this side down, and we see another white piece right over there. Make a L, make sure it's on the bottom. We know the white piece over here, so move it over here, and we do a R, U, R prime to insert it. And now we look for the bar, right? And it's right in front of us, so we're all good. We know that it's the algorithm where the two are facing up and these two are facing outwards. And we go do that. The bar is still here. And we notice that we have two bars. I saw right over here. And for this one, you go R2, U prime, B2, U2, R2, U prime, R2, and move it over. And that is the second solve. The third solve, I'm going to be color neutral, which is one skill you really have to learn when speed solving. So I'll just pick green. You see you can make a green pair right over here. Make an L over here. The green is right over here, so just insert it. And we know that we have to solve the opposite, which is blue. And we see that all bars around here, so we're all good. Do the OLL algorithm. And this one is the T-perm. And that is the third one. So a good way to recognize where the bar is when solving OLL and PBL, there's going to be pairs of opposites on the bottom row. So I just solved one side, and I noticed that if I just look at these two, there's only one pair of opposites. So I know that it's going to be directly on the other side of the opposites, which is right over here. But if there were two pairs of opposites right next to each other, there would be no bar at all. So since the bar is right here, I put it in front. I solve OLL, and then the bar is right here. And if I was on this side, I know that there's only one pair of opposites, so the bar is right here. And just complete the cube. Yeah, and that's just really helpful because you don't want to be spending all the time looking around the cube looking for the bar, so that's really helpful. Moving on to solve number 4, I'm looking for any pairs, but I can't find any, so I'm just going to start with red. Make a pair like that. Make an L. Red's right here. Move it over and insert it. Now see, from just looking at these two, there's one pair of opposites, so I know the bar is going to be right here. And it is, so I'll put that in front. I solve OLL. And I see that there's all bars here, so I know it's a T-perm. There you go. To the final solve, I can see we already have an L on the bottom. And there's certain places where the last block could be. So if it was right here, I could just do an R, then a U2, an R prime, just insert it like that. Next, I look, there's only one opposite, so the bar is going to be right here. And now I solve OLL, and there's only one opposite, so it's going to be right here. Do the last PBL, and that is the final solve. I hope this video has helped you more understand the Ortega method, and later there's going to be a beginner's method for the 3x3, so watch out for that, and have a good rest of your day.